Hello everyone, welcome to the Campus TV. So today we are going to focus on P5 GS, Book 6, Unit 1, the Solar System, Chapter 3, Across the Solar System. So let's take a look at the learning objectives first. So we are going to learn about the location of the solar system in the universe and also the features of different types of celestial bodies. So we all have one question in our mind. How big is our universe? We all know that the universe is a big, big place, but how big and how do we know? Throughout history, humans have used a variety of techniques and methods to help them answer the questions, how far and how big. Generations of explorers have looked deeper and deeper into the vast expanse of the universe, and the journey continues today, as new methods are used and new discoveries are made. So let's use the 8 planets in the solar system as the examples. It will take around 3 days to reach the moon. It takes approximately 7 months to get to the closest planets to us, namely Mars. It takes 50 months to reach Venus. It takes 6 years to reach Jupiter, 7 years to reach Saturn, 8.5 years to reach Uranus, 9.5 years to reach Pluto, which is the closest dwarf planet, and 12 years to get to Neptune, which is the farthest planet from us. So you can imagine how big our universe actually is. So now we have a second question here. So where is the solar system in the universe, as the universe is so big? So our solar system consists of our star, that is the sun, and its orbiting planets, including the Earth, along with numerous moons, asteroids, comets, material, rocks, and dust. Our sun is just one star among the hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. So that means the solar system is actually located in the Milky Way galaxy. That is one of the galaxies in the universe. Milky Way galaxy, as you can see in the picture in the middle here, is the large spiral system consisting of several hundred billion stars. And as I mentioned before, one of which is the sun. It takes its name from the Milky Way, that is the irregular luminous bands of stars and gas clouds that stretches across the sky as seen from the Earth. So when we leave the solar system, we find our star and its planets are just one small part of the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is a huge city of stars, so big that even at the speed of light, it would take 100,000 years to travel across it. All the stars in the night sky, including our sun, are just some of the residents in this galaxy. So, of course, the universe is all of the galaxies, so billions of them. So to conclude, our Earth orbits the sun in our solar system. Our sun is just one star among the billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And our Milky Way galaxy is just one galaxy among the billions of galaxies in the universe. So you can see from this chart, solar system is just a more system in the Milky Way galaxy, and the Milky Way galaxy is just one of the galaxies in the universe, and the universe is a really big, big place. So what types of celestial bodies are there in the solar system? So our solar system is made up of celestial bodies. So what is the meaning of celestial bodies? So they are actually the natural objects in the sky. So here are some classifications as some examples of the celestial bodies. So we have like stars, planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, meteors, and meteorites. So let's take the first example, stars. So we are going to focus on 3 examples today. Okay, so the first one is stars. Okay, so stars are actually the celestial objects which give off their own light. Okay, so you can see this is the star and they give off their own light. That means they produce their own light. So they are very huge in size and have an immense gravitational attraction. So as I mentioned before, the sun is one of them. So the sun is a medium size of star, okay, that gives us energy and makes life possible on Earth. So the second examples of celestial bodies in the solar system are planets. So let's take a look. So planets are actually large spherical objects that revolve around the sun. Okay, that means the star. It moves in fixed orbits around the sun. So there are in total 8 planets in our solar system. So they may be made up of rocks, metals, and gases like hydrogen, nitrogen, and methane. So one very important point is that they do not give off light, unlike the star, okay? So they do not give off light. So take the Earth as the example. So the Earth, as we all know, that is one of the planets in the solar system, and it is the only known place in the universe which supports life. So the third example that we are going to focus today are satellites. So satellites are actually the celestial objects that revolve around the planets. So same as planets, so they do not give off light as well. So they may be of natural origin or sent by humans. So as you can see in the picture here, so we have 2 types of satellites. So one is the natural satellites, okay, so we consider them as the celestial body. The other type will be artificial satellites, which is sent by humans. So the moon is a natural satellite of the Earth and revolves around it. That means it revolves, okay, keeps on moving around the Earth, because it's spanned by the Earth's gravitational pull. So sometimes humans have also placed artificial or man-made satellites around the Earth and other planets to study them and for communication purposes. So here is the example, here is a picture to demonstrate the meaning of star, planets, and satellites. So as we mentioned before, so star is one of the celestial body that give off light. Okay, and then we have planets. So planet, it does not give off light, but it keeps on revolving around the star. So for satellites, again, same as planets, it does not give off light. So it revolves around the planet, okay? It revolves around the planet. So that is the very simple definition and differences between these 3 types of celestial bodies. So now is a challenging time for all of you. So let's see whether you can understand the meaning of different types of celestial bodies. So first of all, so we have star, planets, and satellites. So we have 3 questions for all of you. First question, does these 3 celestial bodies give off light? So for star, so answer the question by yourself, okay? So the star actually gives off light. For planets and satellites, it will not give off light at all. Second question, what does it revolve around? So for the star, it does not revolve anything at all. But for planets, it revolves around a star. For satellites, it revolves around a planet. So let's think about some of the examples. So for star, obviously in our solar system, we can immediately think of the sun. For planets, we can think of the Earth, and of course, there are 7 more planets that are located in the solar system as well. So for satellites, we can think of the moon, so the moon revolves around the Earth. So here is the comparison table between different types of celestial bodies. So I hope that this comparison table can help you to clarify your understanding more. So let's go to the summary part together. So our universe, as I mentioned, is a really huge place. So the Earth we live on is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. So the solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. That is one of the many galaxies in the universe. So here we talk about the location of the universe. And of course, we have also learned about the different types of celestial bodies. So the meaning of celestial bodies, that is, they are the natural objects in the sky. So stars, they give off light, for example, the sun. Planets, they do not give off light. but they revolve around the stars, for example, the Earth. Satellites also do not give off light, but they revolve around planets, for example, the Moon. So I hope that by watching this video, it helps you to understand more about the solar system. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to complete your Campus TV worksheet. Thank you. Bye-bye.